So friends, now I will explain how to do naming, because naming is very important for input and as well as output. So to do naming, you have to go menu, setup menu, and for input naming you have to go input. Under input you can see here is option name, and you can see select. Under select there are inputs, all are inputs here. So input 1 short name is also in 01, long name is also in 01. Short name support 4 character and long name support up to 8 character. And you can also see that in beside long name there is MV within bracket. MV means multi-view. So in multi-view we can see the long name. So how to change the name? So for that, suppose input 1 is a cam 1, the source coming from cam 1. So for that you can press the rotary switch and do just like that, CAM. Cam 1, and after that long name should support 8 character. So I can write here camera 1. CAM R A camera 1, but this is my mistake, it should be E. So in this way you can change your input name. Short name cam 1, long name camera 1. So you can see in my multi-view camera 1, long name is showing. Input 2 is short name, long name, both are same. You can check from here, input 1, input 2, both are same. That's why in multi-view showing input 2, but in cam 1 I have changed as a long name camera 1, 01. Now if you want to change the output name, so for that you have to go output. Here also name. You can see output aux 1. You can see the output name is here. Can you see aux 1, aux 2? So I will make it change. Short name I think it's aux 1 is okay. Long I want to change long name. So for that just press long name. whatever. Suppose this is done. So long name is here AUR73. So let's check it. aux1, you can see AUR73. So in this way you can make your input name and output name as per your requirement.